I reached this waterfalls from old Manali, where you can see the goats have completed its food grazing and then taking its rest, not allowing me to pass my way. Hi dears, can you allow me my path? They are not responding to me. Hello buddies. Wow, how soft is this? Wow, so soft. It's too hot to this body of this woolen. It's showing. Do this side, do this side. Bye, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Okay, guys, give me some path for me. You can stay there silently or give me some path. Oh my god. Just some path I needed. Give me some path, give me some path. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay.